Hi friends, in this video I will be showing how to connect this mobile phone to TV. I would be showing two methods. Method 1. In mobile phone, go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, tap on Wi-Fi, and here you can see I have connected this mobile phone to Wi-Fi network named Home Wi-Fi. Let me go to TV, go to settings, select all settings from top right corner, go to network and internet, and here you can see I have connected this TV to same Wi-Fi network Home Wi-Fi. This is very important. We have to connect both mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Let me go back to mobile phone, open settings, tap on the settings app icon, go to connection and sharing, tap here, tap on screencast, tap here, tap on search for display devices, tap here. Now this mobile phone is searching for Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Here you can see Google TV. That's the name of this TV. This means this mobile phone has detected Chromecast enabled Google TV in the same Wi-Fi network. Tap on this TV name. Tap here, then select entire screen. Tap on start casting. See, it's working. If you want to switch display to full screen in TV, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. That way you would be able to switch display to full screen in TV. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Here you can see stop screencast. Tap here. Done. This is a method 1. Method 2. In mobile phone, open Google Play Store, then install this app, Google Home app. I already installed this Google Home app. Let me open. Tap on this Google Home app icon. Then we need to log in with the Gmail ID and password. I already logged in. Then we need to create home. Here you can see create home button. Tap here. Here we can set name for the home. Let me set home 1. Then save. Here we can set address for the home. I am going to skip this step. Tap on skip, tap on continue without address. Now it's looking for devices. Let me cancel this. I am going to skip this. Done. So here you can see home 1. Now home 1 is ready. Tap on this all devices tab. Tap here. Here you can see all devices. Under that you can see local devices. Under local devices you would be able to see Google TV. This is the name of this TV. This means this Google Home app has detected Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Tap on this TV name. Tap on cast my screen. Tap on cast screen. Tap here. Select entire screen. Tap on start casting. See, it's working. This is a method 2. So next I will show you how we can stop this. Again open Google Home app. Tap on stop mirroring. Done. So these are the two methods to connect this mobile phone to TV. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.